Here are 5 common mistakes small YouTube channels make that prevent them from ranking well in YouTube search results. 1. Not using proper keywords. Many small channels fail to use relevant keywords in their video titles, descriptions, and tags. Without optimizing these elements for search engines, YouTube's algorithm has trouble identifying the video subject, making it harder to rank. Use tools like Google Trends and YouTube's autocomplete to find searchable keywords. 2. Weak video titles and thumbnails. Titles that are too vague, uninteresting, or not keyword-focused will struggle to attract viewers. Click-worthy titles that include keywords and captivating thumbnails are critical for both ranking and viewer engagement. 3. Ignoring video descriptions. The description is where you can give YouTube's algorithm more information about your video. Some channels don't use this space effectively. A good description should include relevant keywords, timestamps, and additional information about the content. 4. Poor audience engagement. YouTube rewards videos with high engagement metrics like likes, comments, and watch time. If your video doesn't keep viewers engaged, it signals to YouTube that your content may not be high quality or relevant. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe to boost engagement. 5. Low video consistency and quality. Small channels often lack consistency, either in terms of upload schedules or video quality. Posting videos irregularly or producing low-quality content can result in poor viewer retention and weak signals to the YouTube algorithm, which lowers your chances of ranking. This video is from Vec Rich Media. If you have any questions, drop it on the comment section below. Don't forget to like and share. By addressing these mistakes, you can improve your chances of ranking better on YouTube and gaining more visibility.